Sheikh, even in case of khul, does the wife have to live till 3 periods? If she changes her mind, can the husband take her back? No. For khul, this is baynuna sughra. I mean, after khul, okay, it is the husband doesn't have the right to take her back within the periods. The 3 menstrual periods. Okay, so this is number one. The other point, the scholars or some scholars mentioned, she has to, the iddah of this woman is 1 period, not 3 periods. Okay. If the khul happens after 10 years, does the wife still pay all the mahar back? Okay. Number one, I like to mention, brothers and sisters, that we are in Tafseer class, so I will not go in details about the fiqh. Okay? I'm mentioning some details, but not all details. So regarding this question, the khul should not necessarily according to the mahar, or should not be the whole mahar. Okay. Sorry, from the beginning. Let's take it from the beginning. Now, after marriage, okay, maybe 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, more or less, the wife said to the husband, you are a good man, you are practicing Islam, mashallah, your beard, your prayers, your manners, you are perfect man. You are Superman. But I don't find any love. I hate to live with you. Okay? And I don't want to do the haram. What do I mean by haram? I don't want to disobey you, because it is haram for the woman to disobey the husband. So I don't feel I don't feel that I like to live with you. Okay. Maybe if the woman says that, the husband will say, okay, ma salama, I will give you the divorce. So the husband can give the divorce after that. Okay, if the husband said, wallahi, sorry, I love you too much, I will not give you the divorce. Okay, maybe you should try, maybe. Okay, or the husband can say, wallahi, it is difficult for me to give you the divorce. If I give you the divorce, I was collecting the mahar, I was collecting the dowry 3 or 4 years. So now if I divorce you, for me very difficult to find another wife, to marry another wife. I can find, but from where I can pay? I cannot. Okay? In this case, the wife can say, okay, I will give you your mahar back. Your dowry, I will give it back. If the husband said, okay, khalas, he can release his wife. But if the woman said, for example, after 10 years, okay, after 10 years, okay, the wife doesn't have the mahar. For example, suppose that the mahar was 4,000 KD. Now she has only 1,000. She said, wallahi, I have only 1,000. I don't have 4,000. If the husband said, okay. But if the husband said, no, wallahi, I will not accept 1,000. I paid 4,000. I want 4,000. Okay, so the wife, maybe she can take loan. Okay, she can take money from the friends, from the family to pay him. Okay, so it depends on the agreement. Okay, the scholars mention, is it allowed for the husband to ask more than the mahar, more than the dowry, or it is not allowed? Okay, this is fiqh issue. Muhammad, we have fiqh. Yes, Jazakallah khair. Yes, we spoke about divorce in details and I think we can find the audio in Brother Omar George channel. Jazakallah khair. I remember he uploaded them, only audio. We spoke about the divorce in details, and we did not finish, because the chapter of divorce is one of the big chapters in fiqh. Okay, and be sure, brothers and sisters, that the best rule is the rule of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, and remember that when you read the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, these rules are general rules for all the people. Okay, and we need the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We need the fear of Allah always, because without the fear of Allah, the man can make the life of the woman as a hell, or the opposite.